Welcome to Sure Lock and Key. In today's video, we're tackling a common dilemma: should you handle lock-related issues yourself or call a professional locksmith? Join us as we explore the advantages of both approaches and determine when it's best to seek professional assistance. First, let's discuss the appeal of DIY lock solutions. Many homeowners opt to tackle lock issues themselves to save time and money. DIY methods can include using simple tools to fix minor problems like jammed locks or replacing old keys. While DIY solutions can be convenient and cost-effective for minor issues, they may not always provide a lasting or secure fix. Looking to enhance your home security with simple DIY solutions? Check out our video DIY Door Lock Tricks. Discover easy and effective methods to reinforce your door security using household items and basic tools. However, DIY lock repairs come with risks. Without proper training and expertise, DIY attempts can sometimes worsen the problem or even cause damage to the lock or door. Incorrectly installed locks or improperly repaired mechanisms can compromise the security of your home and leave you vulnerable to break-ins. It's essential to weigh the potential risks of DIY solutions against the benefits before attempting any repairs yourself. On the other hand, professional locksmiths bring a wealth of knowledge, experience, and specialized tools to the table. They're trained to handle a wide range of lock-related issues efficiently and effectively. Whether you're dealing with a broken lock, lost keys, or need to upgrade your home's security system, a professional locksmith can provide expert guidance and reliable solutions. So, when should you call a professional locksmith? It's advisable to seek professional assistance for complex lock issues, high-security locks, or situations where precision and expertise are crucial. Additionally, if attempts to resolve the problem yourself have been unsuccessful, or if you're concerned about the security of your home, it's best to leave it to the professionals. Remember, investing in the services of a professional locksmith can ultimately save you time, money, and provide peace of mind. In conclusion, while DIY lock solutions may seem appealing, they're not always the best choice when it comes to your home security. Knowing when to call a professional locksmith can make all the difference in ensuring your locks are properly installed, maintained, and secure. If you're facing lock-related issues or need expert advice on improving your home security, don't hesitate to contact Sure Lock and Key LLC today. Our team of professional locksmiths is ready to assist you with all your lock and security needs. Remember, your safety and security are our top priorities. We're here to provide reliable locksmith services and peace of mind for homeowners across the USA. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more security tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and secure.